Good morning, guys, and this is Panaquant, and today we're going to talk about a very special stock, NVIDIA. So, today is the earning season for NVIDIA, and we would be looking at it the whole day. So, we are at 12, and today we see a very good shift in NVIDIA's trajectory turning bullish. You see from the top it went down and then it forms a lower bottom again and again, consolidated, but right now it's accumulating and is moving towards the target of 212 immediately. We might not see it in the earnings call because what we see over here is a massive gap between the calls and puts. Sometimes the very big players such as Jane Street and Two Sigma, like there are so many other companies who sell these options and they don't want to give you any money. So they will try to drive the price neither up, neither down, maybe in between, depends on how they're going to profit. So we can't do anything about that. But after that, I see a crystal clear path. Why? I'll be talking more about that in detail. But in the meantime, please look at my Twitter channel. So I'm gonna talk about this special person, Martin. So Martin even talked about it into one of his comments. So this is the NVIDIA demand check he was talking about through Lambda API. If you don't know about it, it's basically you hire or rent GPUs. So he says that there is no GPU available, and then you see your guy Panaquan has commented over there that AWS has a lot of compute. So where Martin kind of replies that Lambda is still cheaper. So that's also one of the things you might take a watch because there is no availability of GPUs. But let's talk about financials. Yes, everyone loves financials. So here is a strong sheet that I have, and this is a buy thesis actually. So the current price is we are trading at like 197, and the 52-week range you have already seen, and everything like consensus. Everything is a very strong buy, and everyone's talking about like how AI is gonna explode. Needham coming in with 352, which is very optimistic. But why this is very optimistic, that's also a point we need to talk about. We talk about the PE ratio, which is 47 times the stock is trading than its fair value. And 1 year return, I mean, like it's very less, to be honest. But let's see. So, why I am a bull? Because I know like everyone has been talking about, right? Anytime you go and just look at this, like people are doing crazy stuff. They are trying to create more and more videos. Basically, content creation is gonna be a part because I feel a lot of people are gonna get laid off, and content creation is one of the areas that they're gonna focus. That's why you see that we have a very hyperscaler super cycle capex. The AI is gonna roll out. Either it takes nuclear energy or clean energy or whatever, not like, because these companies won't stop making AI super centers, and what they need is NVIDIA's GPUs, and it's gonna be so fast that the other companies, they will try to do something, but they won't be able to catch up. Another big, NVIDIA has been a leader, proven track record. 13 times they have beaten the revenue, right? Every time you come up in their earnings, if I will tell you this way, if there is a person who is very good, they always win, right? So that's what we are talking about. We have a proven track record. The thing that I would be looking into it is a Vera Rubin update, because in case they kind of tell what is their next growth engine, they will try to tell within this earnings. So I feel any pointers you get from that, stock is gonna run crazy because that's the next generation. And then they're going to talk about China revenue, that what is happening. They have not been able to sell to China because of the AI race, which you are talking about. And then stock discounting, those kind of aspects. And then there are like racks, not something that I would be concerned, because margin expansion, it's okay, but because it's a behemoth anyways, like margin, if they do good, they are doing businesses with so many companies, the margin is going to expand. So but the very important thing is the financial and growth. So what we are seeing, we have seen or throughout the cycle, and people have been calling me a AI bully. Why I'm gonna say that? Because 2023, look at the revenue, like how it is going in an exponential rate. That's what their commitment was for 2025. 2026 is the estimate, and 2027 this is the estimate. Any times they increase either of these numbers, the stock is gonna rally, and even Jane Street could not do anything with it. So that's my video. Thanks everyone for watching in. So in case, please like, share, comment on this video. I'm going to share you this Excel where I have all the analyst ratings, the catalyst, and the risk as well. So thank you so much again.